What's up everybody? Today got to do an oil change on my 4th gen Toyota Tacoma. Now this is the second oil change that this has had, but only 5,000 miles. I did one at like 1,000-ish miles and doing my second one here at 5,000. With these turbos, it's very, very important to do regular oil changes. Turbos tend to burn oil a little bit and run a little bit hotter. So really important to do. Got all my tools set up, got the front of the truck jacked up, so it's time to get rolling. Engine oil cover off. Sorry, oil cap. Alright, so this is the first time I've done an oil change on this thing with the skid plate. I'm pretty sure that taking these off will not be enough, so I think I might just cut my losses and take the skid plate off, because I don't think there's any way, Jose. If I remember, I'd use a fork. Nope. $13? 13's will work. Uh-oh.
You're dropping the whole thing?
I have to. I also need to figure out how to do it by myself, so.
Yeah.
Just gonna go through, loosen these guys up a little bit. Make sure I have them loose. And then we'll go from there. There it is. Yeah, because so the oil filters are up here, but the drain bolt is on the other side, and there's no cutout down here to get to it. So definitely Alright, 6 out of 6 bolts done. Let this lay down on me. And we'll lay that right there. Okay. Oil filter. And oil drain. Pretty damn sure that's what it is. Yeah, if I left that skid plate on, I guarantee I'd get all kinds of oil all over the place, so I'd like to avoid doing that if possible. And of course that's a different size. So it's a 13 to take my skid plate off. Pretty sure it's a 14 for the drain bolt. Get this magically appearing oil pan. Now if you watch my other video, my brother doing his car, then you'll know why I'm doing it like this.
You are right, it is mechanic state.
Oh, balls. I totally missed that. Do we have any kitty litter, Dad? So, since I had horribly spilled all the oil all over the street, I took this time as the oil was draining to just kind of clean up a little bit, use the paper towels, do everything I could while I was still potentially making another mess. This is also a good time. If you gotta go to the bathroom or something, just let that oil drain out. But I've decided that I've waited long enough. Now, I do have a blue washer for that, but this one still looks good. So I think I'm gonna leave it. Mainly because it wasn't leaking before. You know, your mileage may vary, but I'm hoping that we'll be good. We should be good. So we got that up there. Tighten this up. I don't know what the factory torque spec is, but I know there is one. But I like to just get them to where they touch and then go a little bit more, because you don't want to overdo that. So it does not need to be very tight. So there's that. Now the next mess making operation is taking the filter out. My skid plate's right there, so we'll go like this. Thank you. The goal here is to be able to do this by hand, but my guess is that when they heat up, they have a tendency to get pretty tight. So you'll notice I'm kind of trying to come up from the top here. Let that drain a little slow, so that hopefully I don't make a giant mess. No, Garmin, I am not doing any activity right now. There it goes. Now, unfortunately, the camera angles were a little bit hard to get what I needed to show you guys this amazingly. But basically just took the filter off, let it drain out, cleaned up the surface, and then popped it back in. Now, another thing that I forgot to do for this video is show you guys the install of the skid plate. But that's just due to camera angles. I tried doing it with a GoPro and it was angled too high. So I'll have to do a separate video for the RCI skid plate install. But It's just the uninstall at the beginning of the video in reverse. So in case y'all have never seen this before, this is the oil filter location right in front of the cross member bar front differential right here, and then the engine drain bolt is right there, right kind of in front of the second cross member frame rail. So now I got all the bolts together. See how much cleaner that oil is. I don't know how well the GoPro's showing it up, but it is significantly cleaner. Well, that's it. We got the Corolla and the Tacoma all done with fresh oil. Hopefully it was enjoyable, and if you learned something, feel free to hit that like, subscribe button, leave a comment, maybe tell me what I did wrong, tell me what I did right. You guys know how it goes. See you on the next one.